we spend billions of dollars looking for life on other planets and spend trillions of dollars killing this one. So I don't want to protect the environment. I want to create a world where the environment doesn't need protecting. Venerable Chief Guest, Honorable Director Sir, Ma'am, teachers, respected judges, and all my dear Simasian friends, I feel honored to be standing before you to deliver a speech on global warming. Human is the only creature on the planet that first cut down the trees, turn into the paper, and then write on it, save trees. This article will abreast you with evidence of rapid climate change in India, its potential effects on the country, and how to cope with climate change effects. Global warming can result in many serious alterations to the environment, eventually human health. Today's scientists point to climate change as the biggest global threat to the children in the 21st century. It's a threat that impacts all of us, especially the children, the low-income communities, minorities, and in many varieties of direct and indirect ways. In the last 2 years, the country has been hit by at least one extreme climate event every month. The changing rain pattern in the India for predicting to leave many areas flooded and others with water scarcity. Our action plans for cleaning one of the longest river in the world, River Ganga, will bring multiple benefits of pollution reduction, climate adaptation, and it was happened during the pandemic situation of India. River Ganga becomes fit for drinking in Rishikesh, Haridwar. There are many species are at the risk of extinction nowadays. The human-made monster, that is global warming, won't go anywhere if you just close your eyes. So without getting late, we would have to wake up. Otherwise, by 2050, the global population increased by 9.6 billion, or we need the equivalent of almost 3 planets worth of resources to sustain the way of living. The greatest threat to the environment is that belief that someone else will save it, but you don't know. Small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can transform the world. As you say, we love our earth. So the most patriotic thing you can do is to take care of the environment and try to live sustainably. Because जब धरा ही नहीं रहेगी तो सब धरा का धरा रह जाएगा. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.